Okay, people, it's the weekend. We got beautiful weather this weekend, mid 70s, full sun. It's time to get out and do some painting. So if you've been putting it off, painting the exterior of your house, this is the weekend to do it. So you know, before you paint your stucco, just remember if you run your hand across, if you run your hand across it and you get this white chalk, if you get a white chalk on your hands, you have to put a clear sealer, like a bonding agent, something like Sealcrete, something similar to that. Put that on there and let it dry for a little bit, and then probably at least an hour or two, depending on the humidity outside. But after that, you can just roll over it, maybe a ½ inch, 3/4 inch nap. Um, get your favorite paint, whether it's Sherwin-Williams or Home Depot, Lowe's, and just start rolling it on there. Don't get too far ahead of yourself. Make sure that you just cut the wall in, roll it before you move on to the next wall. That way, at the end of the day, if you don't quite finish, you're not halfway through a wall or so. You always want to just finish it off, cut, roll, boom, done, move on to the next one. So make sure that you check out all the windows. Underneath the window sills there may be openings or cracks that allows bugs to come in through the walls. Check up around your soffits, make sure that there's no cracks up there. Or sometimes you get stair step cracks. There's none visible on this one at the moment, but the cracks will be like stair steps, almost like a Mario kind of world. You want to make sure that you caulk those up and let those set a couple hours to dry up, and you can paint right over them. So if you have any questions, comments, just leave that down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, if you like these kind of videos, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Happy painting.